Okay, today we are going to demonstrate the serial communications between an IBM 5120 and a System 370 mainframe. All right, so we are booting up the mainframe and we're going to monitor it through this IBM 3279, which is the very first color monitor for the mainframe series. We also have a 5251 and 3278 that we're going to execute some programs with to demonstrate the serial capabilities between the mainframe and this 5120. So as the system gets ready to boot up, let's fire up the 3278 and notice these keyboards, very similar to the 5120, beam spring, clickety-click types, great sound, great feel. They are built to last, all a little different, but all great to use and enjoy coding with. All right, so we see the mainframe is firing up. We're getting some communication. All right, there we go. So these are logs coming out of the mainframe into the 5120 as the devices are being spun up, whether it's the printers, the punch card readers, the DASD disk drives, etc. We can see it all getting processed. Excellent. And on the graphics monitor, we can see this devices on the right-hand side firing up and the CPUs on the left-hand side. So while that's going along, let's also fire up the 5251 and wait for the system to fully be operational. We're going to look for accepting logins. There it goes, accepting logins. So we're good to go. Let's log in. And let's start with the 3278. I'm going to log in. And it's asking for a password, so we'll put in the password. And also, at the same time, let's monitor the communication through the 5120. There we go, accepted the login, and we can continue on. All right, let's do the same with the 5251. It's got a nice sound to it. It sounds like a typewriter. Different login, of course. And password. So while it's putting in the password, let's check the communication log as well. There we go. So we've got the sign in, and what I'd like to do now is demonstrate another serial capability. I've got a program that I wrote in COBOL that just navigate through the data sets and execute it. There we go. Great sound. All right, it's going to make a funky sound there. And here's the program. What it's going to do is actually download a software program to the 5120 directly through the serial. And let's submit it. We'll see it come down. It's initiated down here. Excellent. And what it's going to do is it's going to go into diagnostic DCP mode. There we go. And start loading the program directly into memory, into this address 4000. The software, the application will be loaded directly through the serial from the mainframe and executed as well. So this program is machine code or microcode or assembler, and once it's loaded, it's going to fire up right away. I could have put it on disk and then just linked it and ran it, but that's not as much fun. So it's much cooler to see it downloaded directly into memory from the mainframe into this 5120 and then executed directly. And it takes a little time. It is a fairly large size app, but a couple more seconds and we should be seeing it start up. Yeah, I can see when it starts getting into those nulls or Fs that we're nearing the end of the app load, and then it'll execute it, and off we go. We can see it run. So any moment now it should be ready to finish itself off. There, it's finished, and off it goes. The app started. So look at that, here we go. We've got ourselves a space war. And I'll shoot some bombs off. Hey, oh, no, didn't get them. And we can use the ray gun as well. Got him, done. And that's that. That's serial communication from or with the 5120.